What is going on, guys? So, today we're going to be talking about success. So, some people say that successful people are just lucky. They just got lucky, kind of like winning the lottery. They their business grew and took off purely by luck. That's what some people say. And some people will say that the successful people will say that they got there without any luck at all. They did all the work themselves. They got it all lined up and all the opportunities themselves. And I sort of disagree with both of these arguments. I also agree with both of these arguments, and so I will explain exactly what I mean by that in this video. First of all, when it comes to success, you need to figure out what it is you're going to be successful at. And this can be either a hobby that you enjoy, something you're already good at, something you see that other people need, really anything it is that you want to do. And once you figure out what it is you want to do and become successful at, now you need to figure out exactly how you're going to get paid from whatever that is. So in my case, I do music, so for me it's very important to be good at marketing and marketing myself and getting my music and stuff out there so that the right people find it and listen to it. And that's sort of my very basic path to success. Now, marketing is very important for almost any industry, any business, anything you want to be good at and successful at. And so I'm just going to write that down. Marketing is very important. Marketing. Marketing. Your skills that you're good at, first of all, plus marketing. So your skill is your product. Marketing is how people are going to find out about your product. And both of these things, getting good and getting the word out, both of them take a long time and can require lots of patience. And this one is also very important. So, on your journey to success, through these three things, you will run into a lot of struggles and frustration and problems and probably some negative thoughts, self-doubt, doubting whether you can do it, whether you're good at whatever it is you're doing, whether you're wasting your time. The list goes on, all kinds of negative thoughts like that. At least I went through that and still do sometimes. So you basically just need to get through those tough times, and once you get through it once, the second time is a lot easier to get through because you know that it doesn't last forever. And you know it's not the end of the world and that what you're doing isn't a complete waste of time. You know that eventually you'll get back on track and you'll be motivated again and everything. So patience is very important. So skills plus marketing plus patience. And the last thing is the debated topic that I started this video with, luck. I think that you need to have the skills, which is not luck, and then marketing is another skill you need to get good at, which is not luck. Patience is sort of a state of mind, which is not luck, plus luck. And what luck is basically is once you're doing all these things, marketing, you got your skills and everything, you're being patient, then you need to get lucky and to have the right person find out about whatever it is you're doing, and that person to be interested, and basically open up an opportunity for you. And that's what I would say is the lucky part of it. Now, some people will sit there and take credit for the luck part of it, which I guess is fair enough. It sort of is their skills in marketing and everything that got them there. But at the same time, they didn't make that other person find out about them. That was, I guess you could say, a luck. It was luck that that person noticed you and was interested. And so you could say that because of the patience and persistence and all that, that you're creating your own luck, because statistically, over time, if you keep doing something over and over again, eventually it'll work, and eventually you'll get lucky, and eventually you'll have success. So it's sort of luck, sort of creating your own luck, sort of persistence, but anyways, we'll call it luck in this video. So basically, skills plus marketing plus patience plus luck equals success. So that's basically it for this video. I know it's been sort of all over the place, but I hope you got the gist of it, and I hope it was valuable to you. If it was, make sure to smash that like button down below. Also, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. And yeah, make sure to hit subscribe as well. And thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.